Hello everyone, today let's talk about a crankshaft oil seal. This oil seal is applicable to Volvo heavy truck, and the material is rubber and there is metal. The color is red-brown and the size is internal diameter is 127 and external diameter is 150 and the sink is 13. This product has many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance. They are vulcanized at low temperature, good abrasion resistance and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water. And this is applicable to Volvo heavy truck and mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.